Cleaning tools for the modern world. Words I'm sure you never thought you'd hear in the same sentence. Today's cleaning tools are completely nasty. To smell, to touch, and see. Luckily, cleaning doesn't need to be your dirty little secret any longer. Meet Dotti, premium stylish cleaning tools made of long-lasting materials. Go ahead, get messy. The Dotti Super Scrubber is made of odor-free, antibacterial silicone, your companion for even the messiest of moments. This is the Dotti Best Broom Dustpan. It offers versatile silicone bristles for floor, carpet, and tile cleanups, paired with the sexiest dustpan I've ever seen that you can hold, step on, and easily store. Oh my goodness, when's the last time you swept that thing?
Really?
And Dotti is available in colors that match your vibe: sage, blush, and odyssey. I'm personally a sage fellow. What's your vibe? Here's our founder, Rachel.
With your help, we can bring Dotti to life. Join our mission to reimagine everyday cleaning tools.
Don't just clean it, Dotti it.